is Jeannie, and this is Get This Glowing. And in today's video, you may have been able to tell by the thumbnail, we are going to be talking about the channel, and I just wanted to give you a few channel updates. And if you have never been here before, then welcome. I am so glad that you are here now. And it's a pretty good video to be here on because I'm going to be telling you what this channel is about and who I am. And if you have been here for a while, then thank you so much for returning to the channel. In today's video, like I said, I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about some things that have changed on my channel and some things that have changed with me. And so this really has nothing to do with the coronavirus. I have made some changes to my channel before this outbreak had taken place, and I had just not announced it yet, and so then all of this stuff took place with the coronavirus, and things happened at work. I was transitioning my work from at the hospital to my home. I am one of the very blessed people who are able to work from home. My patients are on the computer, and so I am very, very thankful to the Lord that I am just able to do that. So I just wanted to give you a quick update as to how things have changed that I really haven't talked about. So I just wanted to get into that. If you want to hear about that, then keep on watching. We're getting into it right now. Something that you may not know about unless you watched my live the other day. I did go live for the first time. Woo! I figured that out. But I have been very, I guess, I just have been a little bit overwhelmed with my entire collection. I have been overwhelmed with makeup in general recently. I don't know if you feel the same way too, but I definitely do. I have got, I am in the middle of, if you saw my room right now, you wouldn't believe it. It is a disaster. But I have quite a vast collection, and I really didn't know. I thought that my Alex Shore system was going to be a very good system, but it actually kind of hides it away where I don't see it. And so I really didn't know what I had. And the very first thing that I decided I was going to do is cancel all my subscription boxes. And if you know me and you know my deep, deep love for BOXY all things BOXY and all things IPSY, you will know that that is very crazy for me. For lack of a better word, it was just absolutely stunning to me that I did that. But I did. There's a lot of reasons why I did that. One, I not only canceled BOXY, so I'm not singling BOXY out here. I canceled BOXY, IPSY, Allure, Tilly. Everything that I had not paid up annually, I canceled all subscription box services because I have too many makeup products coming in at this time. I have too many products that I have to work through, and I have a big box of giveaway products that I've already bought at the pop-up store, saved back for my giveaways. And quite frankly, I don't have coronavirus. My husband doesn't have coronavirus. We're not going out anywhere. But actually, who wants to be receiving products right now from someone that you don't know? I mean, I don't. I don't want someone sending me anything right now. Really, who wants to run giveaways right now? Who wants to be going to the post office? Who wants to be receiving giveaway products right now? Really, who? Who wants to? I don't. Do you? I wouldn't think so. I mean, you know, I'm just some chick on YouTube. You know? Are you going to trust me? I mean, I wouldn't. I'm not entering giveaways. In this mess? No. Why would you? I mean, for real. Seriously. Not that you can't spray things down. Not that you can't. But seriously. It's just not the right timing for all of this. So, I've just cut that out. Not to speak of the financial uncertainty that is coming with all of the mayhem that is coming from people losing their jobs, from corporations. This is going to have a significant impact on our economy as a whole, as a global economy, as a national economy. So, you know, it just is. And, you know, not that I am, you know, trying to be full of doom and gloom, but it is. I'm also a realist. It is. So anyway, I have canceled all of that. But I did that before this. I have tightened my belt before this. So I am digging back into my stash. That is what you will see on my channel. You will see dupes on my channel. I am a big proponent of dupes. And I love duping my stash, but with, you know, high-end duping with low-end. But I don't want to dupe with purchases. I am tired of realizing that, oh my goodness, you know, this purchase is nothing more than something I already have in my collection. I just duped my own collection. I just purchased something that I already own. I'm over that because it's a waste of money and it's a waste of space. So that is what I'm moving on from. And that is what I'm moving away from, the subscription boxes. That's one reason. The second reason is, quite honestly, a lot of things that I've noticed lately going into subscription boxes can be found easily and cheaply at TJ Maxx. So, you know, for instance, what was my choice in October Premium box is something that I just picked up at TJ Maxx, which is the Snapdragon Blush from BOXYCharm. So I definitely don't want to receive this in my premium BOXYCharm box because I already purchased it myself for $7 at TJ Maxx. So I definitely don't want to receive that. So it just seems like that my collection, personally, my collection is so vast, and I have so many products in my personal collection that I am being duped by BOXYCharm. My collection's being duped by BOXYCharm. So that's why. Will I still be doing BOXYCharm videos? Yes, because I can. I can show you what's coming your way. I can show you the quality of it because I own it. So yes, I'm excited to do BOXYCharm sneak peek spoiler videos and do get ready with me with those products when I have them, because chances are I do have them and I can show you those. So I'm really excited about that because I love BOXYCharm. I think it's a great product. I think it's a great way to build your collection. If you have a small collection, I built my collection with it, and as soon as things change, or if I think that, you know, they are putting really good products that I'm interested in the box again, of course I will resubscribe to BOXYCharm. Once I feel like that my collection is where I've experienced everything in my collection, or I have consolidated my collection and I have went through my collection and I have given away the things that don't work for me and I've dwindled down my collection, then yes, maybe I will definitely reconsider resubscribing, but not at this time. And the same with IPSY. I have a lot of skincare. When I've worked through that, I will definitely reconsider subscribing to the boxes again. So that's one thing that's changed for me on my channel. So you will see a lot more of me doing things like shopping my stash, working through my stash, some more fashion of what's in my closet, shopping my closet, and a lot more duping videos, using my collection, what's in my collection, things like that on this channel. So if that interests you, how to save your money, and do you really need this type of videos? I'm really excited to do that. So a little bit about the changes coming. So if you're interested in that, that's what this channel's about. It's not going to be as much hauling and buying as using what you've got, staying focused on saving the money, and using the products that are worth it, using what you've got, decluttering what you don't want. Those are the type of things that I'm wanting to focus on this channel. I hope that that makes sense to you in the economy that we are in right now and in the state of things that are going on in the world around us right now. So I hope that it makes sense to you, and if it does, then I hope that you'll consider subscribing to my channel, or if you're already subscribed to my channel, I hope that you'll stay subscribed to my channel. If not, I completely understand that, but that's the type of channel that I'm going to have continuing on. And I love each and every one of you. Stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.